Okay, y'all, this tool is so much fun. It's the 6-inch mini chainsaw by Saker. Anybody can cut a tree down now with this. So the first thing is you just need to manually oil this because it doesn't have an oil reservoir, and just get it on those sides right there, move it down and get the other side. And you're gonna wanna oil this before and after each use and after about 10 cuts. And we're ready to go. So first thing is wear protective eyewear and some gloves when you're using this. And I'm just cutting them about the size of firewood because we're gonna make a fire tonight. Now, where you put this is very important. Do you see how I put it at the very, very bottom and almost rested the chainsaw against that tree trunk? You need to hold it there so that it's stable and it doesn't wiggle around a lot. So right here at the bottom, this is the thickest part. So it might take you a little bit longer to get through this, but I did it with so much ease and it was so much fun and so satisfying. I love this tool. So you can see right here the thickness of these branches that this thing cut through, and that first one just went through in like 1 second. And then as it got down a little bit thicker, it took a little bit while longer, but this thing works so great. I highly recommend this product. You can buy it straight from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description and also in the comments below. Anyone can use this. It's so lightweight, so easy to use. Now we have perfect wood for a fire tonight. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.